客家风情。
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Yo, 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 it's time for Daily Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 午後大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. You know what? Today, let's teach you things associated with the refrigerator, because that's one of my favorite appliances. Lots of food over there. 我们来教大家冰箱怎么说。
笨熊，
笨熊 ，OK， 不是笨熊哦，是一个冰箱哦。
笨熊
That is a refrigerator. 吃不完的水果要记得放回冰箱。For those fruits or food that you didn't finish, put it back into the refrigerator.
是唔睇嘅稿子，
是唔摕嘅稿子，
我記得
我記得
不用轉笨熊。
不用轉笨熊。
嘿，
哦，不用轉就是放回去
放回去
to return back to the refrigerator for unfinished fruits 水果或者是食物啦都要啦哈。
嘿，
然后还有一件事情记得哦，时常整理冰箱才能用得长久。You should organize or clean up your refrigerator often to make it efficient.
接整理笨熊，
執整理笨熊，
張做得用卡重舊。
漳州地用卡重舊。Very good. Let's review some of these terms again, including the refrigerator 冰箱、
笨熊，
笨熊 fruits 水果、
稿子，
购字 and then to organize 整理好了。
整理。
整理 and there you have it, another useful round of Daily Hakka on ICRT.
什麼大家？
是谁张来了？
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.